Good morning guys, I am J.B. Charan Singh, Faculty of Engineering Technology. My topic is contouring. Subject name is surveying and discipline is civil engineering. And introduction of contouring. A contouring or contour line defined as the imaginary line passing through point of equal reduced level. This means every point on a contour line has the same attitude as that of the assumed intersection surface. The process of tracing contour line on the surface of the earth is called contouring, and the map upon which this line are drawn are called contouring map. A contouring map therefore gives an idea of the attitude of the surface feature as well as their relative position in point. Thus, as contouring map serves the purpose of both a plane and a section. Contouring map shown in figure, contouring peak side view and contouring map top view. Contouring shown in figure, hill and a hills. So in figure, lowest point is 60 and highest point is 80. Purpose of contouring. Contouring survey is carried out at the starting of any engineering project such as a road, railways, canal, dam, buildings, etc. For preparing contouring map in order to select the most economical or suitable site, the locating a alignment of a canal so that it should follow a rigid line. The mark the alignment of road and railways so that the quantity of earthwork both is cutting and filling should be minimum. Contouring interval and horizontal equivalent. Contour interval. The consist vertical distance between two consecutive contouring is called the contour interval. Horizontal equivalent. The horizontal equivalent between distance between any two adjacent contouring is called as horizontal equivalent. The contouring interval is constant between the contouring while the horizontal equivalent is variable and depend upon the slope of the ground. Characteristics of contouring. First point, all point is a contour line have the same elevation, and second point, a flat ground is indicate where the contouring are widely separate and step slope where they run close together. So in figure, granite slope and step slope. Characters of contouring. A uniform slope is indicate when the contouring line are uniform space. Uniform, so is figure, uniform slope. And fourth points, a slope surface when they are string parallel and equivalent space. So in figure, plane surface. Characteristic of contouring. A series of closed contouring line on the map represent a hill if the higher value are inside. So in figure 6 points, a series are closed contour line on the map indicate a displays. So in figure 7 point, contouring line closed of valley line at right angle if the higher value are inside the behind of loop in the contouring indicates a ridge. If the higher value are outside the when it represent a valley. So in figure next 8 point, contouring line cannot be merged or cross and another on map except in the case of overhanging cliff. Contouring line never run into the another except in the case of a vertical clamp. In this case, server contouring coincide and horizontal equivalent becomes 0. Characters of contouring shown in figure, overhanging clamp and overhanging clamp. Method of contouring. Contouring required the planimetric position of point whose elevation have been determined by the leveling. And second, the method of location contouring, therefore depending upon the instrument used determine the horizontal as well as vertical position of server point in the area. There are many two methods of location contouring like this. First is direct method and second is indirect method. Direct method is the contouring to be located are directly traced out in the field by location and marking a number of points on each contour. These points are then surveyed and plotted on plane and the contouring drawing through them. And next method is indirect contouring. In this method, the point locate and server are the not necessarily on the contouring line, but the spot level are taken along the series of line layout over the area. Method of contouring: the spot level of the serval, representative point representing hills, describes rigid valley lines and change the slope all the over the area to be contoured, all the over also observed.